invite now our speaker, special guest, Ms. Gunpreet. She has 20 years of work experience in non-development and development sector. In December 20, she was diagnosed with colon cancer, which was really tough for her, and she kept faith and believed in God to take that through. Connecting with people is a scientific method as an and as art. This learning of her experience is what she trained to the people as well. So I would like to hear more and more about her from her itself. So over to Ms. Gunpreet for her presentation and about her journey.
Thank you so much, Prerna. Okay, I didn't know that you were going to say the cancer part also. I generally leave it for my last bits. Okay, thanks. All right. Good morning, everyone. And thank you, Sunilji, for once again giving me this opportunity to come to Manzil and speak. And it's always a pleasure to see everyone, especially known faces. And I feel very comfortable and I know I can blabber anything. So having said that, a little small exercise we will do before we start, before I say anything. Just 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 times, we will do deep breathing. You can close your eyes. You don't want to close your eyes, don't close your eyes. I'm not going to take you to any meditation. It's just that we are just aligning to ourselves. That's it. So we can start. You can count it on your own, on your 6 fingers. I will not say anything, and then you can give me a heads up when you're done so that I can start. Okay. Thank you. I see all the thumbs up. And do I have the sharing rights, Prerna? Can I? Yes, I do. Yes, I got it. Thank you. All right. Today, we're going to talk about building our muscles, building our strength. And we all know since the time we are born, we have been communicating, whether we have been crying and communicating, whether we have been smiling and communicating, whether we have been just on the floor asking for something and communicating. While we have been growing up, we have been communicating through our body language, through our eyes, through our speech, and we also communicate with ourselves, with our minds. So today, again, we will be talking about building some strength. And I love lions. My inner feeling is that lions really are the most courageous and a species which really has a lot of strength. And मेरा एक दिली ख्वाहिश भी है कि मैं कभी एक शेर को पालूं भी. But anyhow, let's see. When it happens, it happens. मेरे पास मुझे लायन से इतना रेजोनेट करता है कि मेरा जो टैटू भी है वो भी लायन का ही है. So I just love lions because of the courage. And कहीं ना कहीं मैंने lions से communicate करना भी सीखा है because I follow them a lot. People think I'm crazy when I do that. Not many people know also that I love lions so much, except for until unless we get talking. And lions are someone who don't need anyone in the jungle. They just go and do what they have to do. I know they kill, but then that's their aim, because that's their survival. So communication is also our survival, you know. So that's why I feel communication is something which we all do, but if we become little more build on our muscle to communicate with people, हमारे लिए हमारे को अपने आप से क्या चाहिए उसको जानना बहुत जरूरी हो जाता है, और जानकर उसको करना क्या है वो भी हमारे लिए बहुत क्लियर हो जाता है. So this training is, I will just say one line over here. ये एक ट्रेनिंग वर्ड मैंने यूज किया है, बट मैं ये इंटरैक्टिव सेशन करना चाहूंगी जहाँ पे आप सबका कंट्रीब्यूशन भी रहेगा। और आप लोग जब भी मेरे से कुछ पूछना चाहें, या तो आप बीच में अनम्यूट करके बात कर सकते हैं, जहाँ पे भी आपको लगेगा कि मैं क्लियर नहीं हूँ, या आप मैं बहुत फास्ट जा रही हूँ, या आपका कोई सवाल है, तो प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड टॉक. I would like it to be a very interactive
Do you mind
session.
going full screen on the presentation?
Yeah, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't see that. Oh, just a second. That is
F5.
my,
F5.
no, my laptop F5 is not that F5. Just
Okay,
a
so
second.
bottom right.
No,
there's
no,
a presentation.
new, just a second. Where did that sharing screen, that button is there?
Bottom right on your, oh, no, just bottom right where, yeah, next, just next to the Zoom slider on the left.
Just a second. I'll just switch down. I can't see the share. Oh,
No, you're presenting, but just
we
that
don't
Yeah.
need to go to
screen.
just go into animations or just go into slideshow.
I did click on slideshow. Just a second. I'll just try again.
Yeah,
And
and
from the
press from
beginning.
beginning.
Yes, I'll do. Thank you very much. Thank you, Abhishek.
Yeah.
Okay, so many a times we have our own barriers where we are not able to break our barriers, and most of the barriers are self-originated. So we want everything to be happy, whether it is our home front, whether it is our professional front, because people, we are the same people. It's just that our atmosphere changes when we are in the office, our atmosphere changes, people changes when we are back home. But end of the day, we are connecting with people, we are dealing with people, we are building relationships. A little introduction about myself. I have 20 years of work experience in business development and trainings, and now I am full-fledged entrepreneur. I started working as an entrepreneur and working professional for last 3 years, but from last 1.5 years, I'm a full-fledged entrepreneur. I've written a couple of articles in newspapers and magazines. I have spoken over many platforms. I have trained more than 1,500 people now, and they have spoken in front of people. So my aim is that I can at least, my aim and vision is somewhere that I can at least help people to talk like a celebrity, to talk openly, to talk fearlessly, and then they can work that attribute in their office lives also, in their networking life also, in their personal life also, because we talk and we connect with people, and we come to know who we are and what the other person we want, what things we want from the other person. I'm also an upcoming author. I'm writing a book, and hopefully very soon this will be available. These are some testimonials, and thank you, Sunilji, for trusting me many a times and coming for the trainings and getting your team members involved for the trainings as well. Having said that, testimonials have also very important for me, because I feel that when I am doing something, I can feel that if there is some kind of change, or even 1% change is there, I will be happy to contribute towards that 1% change in a person's life. These are various platforms I've spoken to. Yes, I'm going to present this presentation somewhere else also. So I have today's presentation as well. I have been interviewed. I have taken interviews. I have done all these kind of activities in last 2 years, and I've really enjoyed this journey thoroughly. These are various online trainings which we have done in past COVID times. Everywhere we have been just online, and a lot of people have been coming for these trainings. So COVID has been a blessing in disguise for me. I have a journey to share. Prerna was sharing that I'm a cancer survivor, yes, in 2020. in December on 25th, I was diagnosed, and I have a journey to showcase. I wanted to put one more picture where I was a geek, actually, a person who has never been very open to communicate, and today here I am talking. I changed, my life started to change when I was in college. Before that, I was totally geek, not even saying a single word, not able to express myself, because of which there were so many barriers in me that I could not talk to people. I had a lot of trust issues with people. So when I was going through this phase of my life of cancer, my self-communication became very strong because I had no choice. Either I could sit and मैं रो सकती थी कि हाँ मुझे कैंसर हो गया है और मुझे ये सर्जरी करानी है, कीमोथेरेपीज पे जाना है, बिल्कुल रो सकती थी और अपने आप को बिल्कुल डाउन कर सकती थी, या फिर एक एटीट्यूड अपना बदल सकती थी, बिहेवियर बदल सकती थी और बोल सकती थी कि हाँ ठीक है, लेट मी फाइट इट। पर जब मैं फाइट कर रही थी, ऐसा नहीं था कि मेरे डाउन मोमेंट्स नहीं आए, बहुत डाउन मोमेंट्स भी आए मेरे। इतना तक एक टाइम पे डाउन मोमेंट आ गया था जहाँ पे मैंने अपनी सिस्टर इन लॉ को फटाफट मैसेज किया, वो अमेरिका में रहती है, और मैंने उसे बोला कि अगर मुझे कुछ हो जाएगा तो प्लीज मेरे बच्चों का ध्यान तुम रखना, आई हैव 2 kids, so they are too young. And you know, of course, my family, my friends, my people were all around me all the time. They used to call me up, just check on me, are you okay? But वो एक कॉल मिलना भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि जब आप बीमार हो ना, are you okay, जिंदा है कि नहीं है, you know. So yes, and I broke a lot of my own barriers while I was going through this journey. Getting my head shaved was not a very big deal for me, but it was a very big deal for my parents. So to tell them that I'm taking this stand because I'm a Sikh, and थोड़े से मेरे पेरेंट्स कंजर्वेटिव हैं बालों को लेके, और कुछ उनको कंजर्वेटिव नहीं थे वो कहीं पे भी। तो मैंने प्रेयर्स किया, मेडिटेशन की, और फिर उनको फोन करके बोला कि यू नो आई एम गोइंग फॉर दिस स्टेप, एंड गेस व्हाट माय डैड सेड, हमें तुझसे ज्यादा कुछ भी इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है। You know, I was so scared to tell my parents that मैं अपने बाल shave off कर रही हूँ, because वो just गिर रहे थे और वो मुझे mentally disturb कर रहे थे. It was not that there was any hassles, but they were mentally disturbing me. But मैं ऐसे हाथ लगाती थी, इतना गुच्छा हाथ में, कंघी कर रही हूँ तो अब गुच्छा हाथ में, जगह जगह पे दिख रहे मुझे मेरे बाल। So मुझे लगा कि मेरी जर्नी में वो एक हिंड्रेंस बन रहे हैं, तो मुझे वो ऑफ करना था उसको अपनी तरफ से। तो मैंने अपने मम्मा को जब बोला तो उन्होंने भी बोला कि तू जो कर रही है इट्स ओके, इट्स ऑल राइट, वी वांट यू टू बी in your own ways and be comfortable. So I was very happy. I was very happy that it was a boja for me to talk to my parents, and I really sat down, I wrote my words, I wrote what intention I need to create. I actually meditated for that particular intention to make that process, though लोगों को लगता है but it's not a very big deal, but it is a big deal for not to have hair for a woman. I was fine with it, but then many people, like my son who's 10 years old, उसको जब पता चला मुझे कैंसर है तो उसने बोला मम्मा सब ठीक है, बस गंजे मत हो जाना, and that's what also happened. So he saw me, and then I had covered my hair, and after that I told him आप दूसरे कमरे में जाके बैठ जाओ. So you know, I had to really train myself how to talk to people also when it is like that. I had to train myself to talk to my children. And then I told him कि आप दूसरे कमरे में बैठ जाओ. He's like आप उतार दो, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. So it took him also some time, but I had to explain him. I had to talk to him about the situation. My daughter was fine. Nothing happening, but yes, but I got a lot of compliments also, so I was very happy. लोगों ने मुझे पर्सिस खम्बाटा भी कहा, जो मुझे पता भी नहीं था वो बंदी है कौन, but yes, thanks. So what is in this, when we change our behaviors, when we change our way of thinking, when we change our words, there's so many things we can make ourselves better at. जैसे ही हमारा बिहेवियर अगर बदलता है तो आपने देखा होगा कि आपका आसपास का एनवायरनमेंट भी बहुत जल्दी बदल जाता है. अगर आप शांत हैं तो आपका एनवायरनमेंट शांत है, अगर आप गुस्से में हैं तो आपका एनवायरनमेंट भी गुस्से में है, आपके एनवायरनमेंट के आसपास इरिटेशंस हैं, प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, आपको वो जब तक शांति में वो प्रॉब्लम दिखेगी तो आपके पास एक अलग नजरिया होगा, एक अलग तरीका होगा उसको सॉल्व करने का। लेकिन अगर आप खुद शांत नहीं होंगे अंदर से, अपने आप से बात नहीं करेंगे, और आपको अगर शांत नहीं है तो सिर्फ ये बोलना कि अच्छा शांत हो जा काम कर ले डज नॉट वर्क. इट माइट वर्क फॉर सम टाइम बट नॉट फॉर लॉन्ग. So you need to know what is something which is bothering you, how you can resolve it, how you can work on yourself so that you can work with people. End of the day, we are also social animals where we like to be around with people, we actually are around people. बेशक घर पे हो, और आजकल तो कुछ ज्यादा ही अराउंड पीपल है बिकॉज कोविड के टाइम पे हम सब ने घर से काम किया है, और सब सिर्फ सारा टाइम एक दूसरे की शक्लें ही देखते रहते थे कि क्या हो रहा है. बट मुझे लगता है कि बहुत सारे लोगों ने ये एक एज अ लाइफस्टाइल इम्बाइब किया है कि अपने घर में ही होते हुए भी एक दूसरे को स्पेस कैसे देनी है. हम 6 लोग हैं और हम सारे 6 के 6 बहुत इंडिपेंडेंट लोग हैं. अपनी स्पेस हम सबको बहुत अच्छी लगती है और हम सबने लर्न किया कि स्पेस कैसे देनी है. एक ऑटोमेटिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग आ गई. तो वो सब चीजें हमें तब मिलती है जब हम एक्चुअली अपने आप के साथ कंफर्टेबल होते हैं. ओके, वी हैव सम फन टाइम. मैं बहुत देर से बोल रही हूँ. बिफोर वी गो ahead, I want anybody like to share or say something, please go ahead. You can unmute yourself and talk, please. No?
I can only say
Fighting an inner fight is the biggest fight you can ever do, and I'm so proud of you that you did.
Thank you, Atalji. Thank you so much.
I
And
can only
always remember, here today, gone tomorrow.
I do this one.
Aani jaani cheez hai, don't worry about it. You look
Yes.
fantastic as you are.
Thank you. No, I was never worried about my hair, never. I was just little apprehensive to inform my parents about it. That's it.
मुझे तो जो भी लंबे बालों वाला मिलता है मैं उसको यही कहता हूँ, ये बाल मुझे दे दे ठाकुर.
हमारे तो मैच ठीक होते थे. मेरे हस्बैंड पूरा गंजा है और बहुत सालों से गंजा है, तो एक जने के बाल थे एक के नहीं थे, तो हम लोग बैलेंस बना के चल रहे थे. अब हम दोनों परफेक्ट वाले बैलेंस पे हैं.
मेरे चाचा साहब का ट्रेड चल रहा है, मतलब आई एम ट्राइंग टू गेट हिज हेयर. प्लीज.
I can only say कि मैं गुनप्रीत को मुझे नहीं मालूम था मैं शेरनी क्यों बुलाता हूँ, पर मैं तो उसके खैर बिहेवियर और उसके अप्रोच को देख के, एटीट्यूड को देख के उसको शेरनी बुलाता था. मुझे नहीं पता था कि इसको शेर पसंद है. खैर एनीवे मैं शेर हूँ. एंड it is the I who used to call her today's Persis Khambata.
Yeah.
So really proud of you, Gunpreet, the way you have come out
Thank
of your
you.
routine.
Thank
And,
you. Thank you for being around always. Thank you.
good to know
Anybody
you.
else would like to share or ask something or? Okay. So if it is not like that, then I have a little exercise to do. If everybody has a pen and a paper ready with them, please be ready to write something. And even if you want to type it on your laptops, iPads, please go ahead and do that. So if you want to grab something, we have 30 seconds to grab it. If you're okay, then we can start. So there are two tasks. First task is that you need to order a pizza over phone. Okay, you're not ordering it literally, but you are just writing the steps. How would you do that? So you may take 1 minute to write and just write your steps. How would you do that if you have to order a pizza over a phone? If you're done, please let me know so that we can go for the next task. And if somebody has already done, you may share your steps, please.
Yeah, for me, I'll just call my daughter over phone and ask her to order phone.
I love
can't
that.
do it. Too difficult for me to order pizza online.
Okay, that's a great one.
Gunpreet, I wrote Siri order pepperoni pizza. Oh shit!
Okay.
Siri, don't do it.
You'll have a pepperoni pizza early morning for your breakfast.
Heck, you can have pepperoni pizza any time of the day.
Yes, yes, yes.
Most of our generation people ask our children to order the pizza mostly,
Yes.
because nowadays children are more inclined towards ordering something or they like something, or their like or dislike is they express more
Yes,
frequently.
yes, we do. Prerna, just let me know about the time, how much time I have. I might just go with the flow and I might just go overboard. So let me know about that. So we've ordered the pizzas. Yes, Jwalanji. Okay, I thought
Yeah,
he's
pizza
saying
ordered.
pizza ordered. Okay. So
Yes.
what are you having for breakfast?
Never gonna order a veg pizza. So after the Narata is over, I'm gonna order a pizza. But my steps are down.
Okay, great. So would you like to share your steps? How
Yeah,
are you
sure.
going to start?
Sure. So find phone, unlock, find Zomato, search dish pizza, scroll by popularity, choose pizza, add toppings, confirm address, pay by Paytm.
Okay, great. So he's literally gone step by step. That's very nice. Thank you. Anybody else?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
Prerna.
pick the phone, open app of Domino's, find the order to be finalized, book it, make payment, and then wait for 30 minutes to get over desperately. That is it.
Prerna's hungry. That shows her desperation. She has 30 minutes also with her. Awesome.
Maybe that's a breakfast time. So actually feeling hungry.
Awesome. Great. Okay.
I will be
So-
calling the restaurant, asking for varieties of pizzas available and offers, if any. Because these days everybody's offering, giving any offers.
Yes.
Then I will ask for his recommendation, which one he feels is good from his restaurant, and then I will place my order.
Yes. So Sunilji is on a saving mode also, plus wants to enjoy his food. So
Yeah.
awesome. So great. So did you know, is anybody else sharing? Or should I say? Okay. So there is one more situation we need to write about. We all love getting gifts. I would love to get a gift from Anshul. I've seen his collection. His collection is awesome. So yeah, Anshul, my birthday is coming. If you're just in case if you're listening, I'm okay with it.
I am listening. Don't worry.
Okay, so we all love to get gifts and we feel very tinglish inside, no matter whatever age we are at. It's a beautiful way of feeling for yourself. So now you need to describe what you would like to receive as a birthday gift. Just write it. How would you like to describe?
Just run that question once again. I missed you in the middle.
Okay, so you need to describe how would you like to receive what would you like to receive as a birthday gift?
Oh, okay.
I'll say it out loud so my wife hears it also.
Yeah, please go ahead. Be
New
your
iPad,
own
huh?
guest.
Abhishek's birthday is also approaching.
Yeah.
When's your birthday, Abhishek?
26th this month.
Oh, awesome. Happy
Abhishek,
birthday in advance.
You have the best birthday gift this year, so don't ask for more gifts now.
True, that's true. Still, पैसे वही कमा रही है सर.
ये बहुत राइट फैक्टर है कि जो पैसे कमाना होता है बर्थडे गिफ्ट उसी से चाहिए होता है या गिफ्ट भी उसी से चाहिए होता है. So yes. So anybody would like to share how they have described? I heard Abhishek just saying it to his wife. iPad चाहिए.
Some apparel garments.
Yes. पंकज जी क्या है आपका गिफ्ट?
Some wearable garments or apparels, yeah.
तो आप उसको कैसे डिस्क्राइब करेंगे?
Means
मतलब आपको अगर किसी को बताना है कि आपको ये गिफ्ट चाहिए तो आप उनको क्या बोलेंगे?
आई फील कि जिन्होंने मुझे गिफ्ट देना है दे ऑलरेडी नो मी, सो उनको बताने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है. दे आर अवेयर व्हाट आई नीड.
Okay, so you
कोई
take
हिंट
people.
नहीं दोगे पंकज जी?
कलर तो बता दो क्या चाहिए?
तो
शर्ट
मेरे
चाहिए,
फेवरेट
पैंट
कलर है
चाहिए,
ब्लू ब्लैक.
हैंकी चाहिए?
कोई ऐसा हिंट होता है?
हाँ,
मैं तो 3 महीने पहले अतुल मोहन को अपने हिंट देने शुरू कर देता हूँ.
And I know what you get. I know what you're getting to. I think कि यार ये लॉक हो जा रहा है, बार बार ये चल नहीं रहा, इसकी बैटरी डाई हो रही है, देखिए स्क्रॉल करने में टाइम लगा रहा है,
Yes,
बड़ा
yes.
मैंने सुना है बड़ा स्क्रीन आ गया है, चिप थोड़ी सी तेज है शायद.
Okay. All right. So can somebody
Abhishek,
share
does it
how
work? Abhishek,
For
does it
me,
work?
I like surprises.
you like
Be it
surprises?
I like surprises.
Okay, great, awesome. So but actually, if you have to describe something, then what would you do, Prerna?
Nothing as such materialistic, but any kind of surprise. That is absolutely fine with me.
ना कोई आपके लिए चॉकलेट भी ले आए तो वो आपके लिए सरप्राइज है. Awesome, great, that's so amazing. So having no expectations. हाँ जी सुनील जी.
मेरा तो सिस्टम बड़ा ऐसा है कि अब शर्ट्स जो है ना कम पड़ने लग गई हैं, तो थोड़ा सा दिक्कत है. ब्लू शर्ट्स बहुत इकट्ठी हो गई हैं, तो अब सोचता हूँ थोड़ी ग्रे और वाइट भी इकट्ठी हो जानी चाहिए. तो इस तरह से मैं मैसेज कन्वे करता हूँ और फिर कुछ ना कुछ मिल जाता है.
Okay, so आपका डिस्क्रिप्शन आपके जरूरतों पे है. Great. अतुल जी.
I'm a man of very small needs. I don't buy much, right, Chanda?
I know that. Do you want me to disclose it?
Go ahead, man.
A big man can never have small needs, Atul ji.
No, actually, my wife does not buy me presents anymore. She says, buy for yourself, pay for it, be happy, happy birthday. So
That's also
that
good
works.
training you've got.
Oh yeah, very well. I
झूठ
am
बोल
very
रहा
well
है.
domesticated.
This is lying. He's lying.
I know.
Every year he get a very fat gift from Seema. I know that.
I'm
झूठ
sure.
बोल रहा भी है. He's not around though.
Sandeep ji.
I drop her hints by sending her Instagram messages from various places in the world I want to still visit.
Mhm.
And being a doctor, cannot take out time for, long stretches and go for a vacation as often. So I land up going for a vacation with Sandeep Chandna.
I'm sorry for this one.
Well, you got to choose what you got to choose.
No comments there.
Somebody's name.
Awesome. So the purpose to do this exercise was to have fun, and as well to just to know how we actually comprehend to the situations, what we do, how we do. Everybody had a different way of communicating their things. Like Prerna said, if she doesn't describe, she loves to get surprises, but from whom, she didn't mention that. Atulji said that, his wife doesn't has the time, so he finds time to go with his friends and enjoys himself. Sunilji gives hints. Abhishek just wanted to speak it out that, yes, I want an iPad. And so having said that, these are all these are communication strategies, and strategies help us to build things. Strategies help us to not only look at what we want, but it's our final way of changing our things also, how it works. Strategy changes our behavior, because when we are asking something, when we are thinking something, when we are writing something, our mind is changing. Our mind is changing towards the strategy, the intention. What is it that I'm looking for? Sunilji wants his gray and white shirts. So his intention is very clear, is very specific. Similarly, whatever we want to do, we communicate us to ourselves according to that, and then we take actions. And these are all, somewhere or the other, we need to work on towards our positive behavior, change in the knowledge when we have a positive behavior, our attitudes, our norms, our beliefs, our behaviors. When you are asking something from someone, अभिषेक भाई प्यार से बोले ना आईपैड, तो वो गुस्से में नहीं बोल सकते क्योंकि उनको आईपैड चाहिए, you know. And so it's very simple. He just had to raise his voice, but he knew what he wants. So that clarity comes when we actually start communicating, we start thinking. You know, communication is a very broad word, but in communication are thinking power, listening power, speaking power, writing power. Everything counts. Everything comes. We ask for situations. We are in situations. Then we need to know उनको solve कैसे करना है. क्या हमें किसी और की भी जरूरत है कि डू वी नीड टू आस्क. जैसे आप अभी अपने ग्रुप में, जब आपका ये जो मंजिल का ग्रुप है, यू हैव अ एक्सरसाइज वेयर यू डू आस्क एंड गिव. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल एक्सरसाइज वेयर यू आर एक्चुअली, बट यू आर सिटिंग एंड राइटिंग कि आपकी आस्क होनी क्या चाहिए, कितनी स्पेसिफिक होनी चाहिए, सो दैट द अदर पर्सन अंडरस्टैंड्स. और अगर किसी को और जरूरत है डिटेल्स की, तो आप उनको कॉफी के ऊपर मिलते हैं. सो दीज आर ऑल वेज ऑफ trying to understand, analyze, and be action oriented. So when we are action oriented, our behavior changes, you know. जैसे हम लोग अभी exercises भी कर रहे थे, तो it was very obvious कि हम कहाँ थे. We were in an aware situation, or are we in an unaware situation? The most important thing in our behaviors, when we want to communicate something, is something where we need to be aware. So aware होने के बाद क्या हमें उसके बारे में नॉलेज है या नहीं है, हमें क्या स्टेप्स करने चाहिए नॉलेज गेन करने के लिए. कई बार हम कंफ्यूजन में भी होते हैं, पर उस कंफ्यूजन को सॉल्व कैसे करना है, उसकी कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन भी करते हैं हम लोग कई बार कि अगर मैं ऐसे करूंगी या मैं ऐसे करूंगा तो ये भी हो सकता है, वो भी हो सकता है. हम लोग बहुत आगे तक चले जाते हैं और वो जो छोटा सा हमें स्टेप लेना होता है वो स्टेप ले ही नहीं पाते और बात वहीं खत्म हो जाती है. लेकिन जो एक्शन ओरिएंटेशन वाले इंसान होते हैं, जो बिहेवियर को चेंज करना चाहते हैं अपने, तो वो एक इंटेंशन बनाते हैं. जब वो इंटेंशन बनाते हैं तो उसके बाद अपने एक्शंस लेते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जब मुझे अगर कुछ करना होता है तो मैं इतना तक सोचती हूँ कि मुझे ये काम करने की उसकी नॉलेज है नहीं है, और क्या मैं सीखना चाहती हूँ या नहीं सीखना चाहती हूँ. अगर नहीं सीखना चाहती हूँ तो वहीं पर चैप्टर फिनिश हो जाता है. लेकिन सीखना चाहती हूँ तो किससे सीखना चाहती हूँ, कौन है जो इस फील्ड में एक्सपर्ट है, क्या मैं किसी और से बात कर सकती हूँ जो मेरी हेल्प कर सकता है, यू नो. और हमें अपने बिहेवियर्स को मेंटेन करना पड़ता है, हमें अपने कम्युनिकेशन को मेंटेन करना पड़ता है. इट्स लाइक हाउ वी मेंटेन आवर कार्स, वी मेंटेन आवर क्लोथ्स, वी मेंटेन आवर हाउस, वी मेंटेन आवर शूज. सिमिलरली हमें अपना बिहेवियर और कम्युनिकेशन को मेंटेन करके रखना पड़ता है, स्पेशली व्हेन वी आर वर्किंग विद पीपल. जहाँ पे आपको पीपल मैनेजमेंट है, वो आपके क्लाइंट्स है, वो आपके वेंडर्स हैं, आपके टीम मेंबर्स हैं, आपके, क्योंकि आपकी जो टीम होती है वो आपके इंटरनल क्लाइंट्स भी होते हैं, आपके अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं. सो हर डिपार्टमेंट से कुछ ना कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन आ रहा है, कुछ ना कुछ डिटेल्स आ रही है. आप उनके साथ आपका बिहेवियर कैसा होना चाहिए, अगर आप शांत है, अशांत है. और बात सिर्फ शांत और अशांत की नहीं होती, बात अपने खुद की भी होती है. कई बार हम छोटी छोटी चीजों पे रिएक्ट करते हैं. तो हम जब रिएक्ट करते हैं तो सारा ओवरऑल सिचुएशन बदल जाता है. सो आई विल गिव यू एन एग्जांपल ऑफ माय सेल्फ. It was a very small thing. I was working and my son came up to me and he asked me, "Mama, महाभारत ये कल ही हुआ, मम्मा महाभारत ओरिजिनल किसके पास है?" तो मैंने अपने काम करते करते बोल दिया, मुझे नहीं पता. So he's like, "You're not listening to me." And I was like, okay. I had to keep my laptop on the side and give him attention and say, हाँ जी बताओ. So इसलिए आप प्यार से नहीं बोल सकते हो, मुझे नहीं पता क्या होता है. मेरा बेटा बिल्कुल एज एन अडल्ट की तरह ना कॉन्वर्सेशन करता है. सो वो उसको पूरा समझाया कि अच्छा सॉरी, मैं I was doing some work. You also know when I'm working and suddenly if you will ask me something, I might respond like this, react like that. So he's like कि नहीं, आप जब मैं आपके पास आता हूँ तो प्लीज अपना लैपटॉप साइड पे रखा कीजिए. तो उसकी एक्सपेक्टेशंस वो मुझे अपनी बता के गया, और आगे से मुझे भी पता है कि आई एम अवेयर दैट व्हेन ही इज कमिंग नेक्स्ट, व्हाट आई नीड टू बी. एंड मुझे उसको मेंटेन करके रखना पड़ता है, क्योंकि अगर मैं उसे मेंटेन नहीं करूंगी तो हमारे क्लैशेस हर वक्त होते रहेंगे. एंड व्हेन वी लर्न when we are action oriented people, there are lot many things which comes into our picture, you know. हमारी जो energies होती है, हमारी जो focus होता है एक दूसरे को help करने का, वो बदल जाता है, उसमें सोच बदल जाती है. कई बारी हमारे challenges होते हैं कि हम लोग कुछ करना चाहते हैं तो हम लोग conclusions जो बहुत overthinking करते हैं वो conclusions पे jump करते जाते हैं without taking an action. We jump to a conclusion. तो जब तक हमें कुछ एक्शन नहीं होगा, कुछ पता नहीं होगा, हमें जंप करने का कोई फायदा नहीं होता है. सो वी नीड टू बी अवेयर ऑफ इट. व्हेन वी रिएक्ट एंड वी रिस्पॉन्ड, थिंग्स आर वेरी डिफरेंट. व्हेन वी रिएक्ट, थिंग्स गो हेवाय. You know, your picture will go haywire. You will not have any clarity. You will be परेशान. You don't know what's happening. Your problem, आपको वो छोटी सी प्रॉब्लम भी बहुत बड़ी लगेगी और उसको सॉल्व करने में ही लगता है कि पता नहीं क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, अब मैंने ये तो खराब ही कर दिया है. सो जब हम कुछ भी सिचुएशन में रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं, जब रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं तो हमारा जो कामनेस होता है और उसका जो आउटकम होता है वो बहुत अलग होता है. लेकिन जब हम रिएक्ट करते हैं तो हमारी सिचुएशंस टोटली डिफरेंट होती है. सो यू नीड टू बी अवेयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ, how you going to focus. If there is something which is you feel are not able to handle at that moment, then you need to know how to stop. You need to know how to put yourself up, give yourself a pause. You know, because till the time you don't do all these kind of strategies for yourself, communicating with the other person becomes very difficult. You yourself will be closed, and as human beings, ये हम सबके साथ होता है. It's just that we'll never be perfect, but yes, हमारा turnaround time कम हो सकता है, हमारा awareness का time बढ़ सकता है. हम लोग उसको कैसे call to action की तरह एक अपने आप को याद दिला सकते हैं कि hello, good morning, you need to stay there. You are getting towards this situation. Control yourself. You know, all these kind of things really help us. When we talk to ourselves, our behavior changes. You know, we need to be clear on what you want, from whom, when to do what. You know, it's just that जब हम aware होते हैं, mindful होते हैं, तो हमारी situations बदल जाती है. I know I'm repeating this, that we are aware, mindful, but that's what we need to be in. That's the situation we need to be in. And mindful और aware होने की बहुत सारी exercises होती है. Probably Jwalan ji can give us a lot of exercises to do on that. What I generally do is meditate a lot to keep my peace. And कई बारी कुछ ऐसे difficult situations भी होती है तो मैं वो situations में या conversations में जाने से पहले भी meditate करती हूँ या फिर deep breathing करती हूँ और जितना हो सके straight forward words use करती हूँ, so that I'm not going round and confusing myself and the other person. So it's always better to have expectation setting before you start the conversation and have a direct conversation with the person. It helps you, it helps the other person, and it helps the situation to be better. So situations को हम कई बारी time oriented भी रख सकते हैं, कई बारी time oriented नहीं रख पाते हैं और वो बात बहुत आगे बढ़ जाती है. बट हमें वो देखना पड़ता है कि आप कितना, आपके लिए वो situation important है. How much weightage do you want to give to that situation? So communication is one aspect of our lives which is going to be there from when we are born till we die. Whether we can speak or we can't speak, we still communicate in various aspects. So these are my contact details. Anybody wants to have a detailed discussion over it, please connect with me, write to me, talk to me. I'll be happy to talk to the person. And thank you everyone for giving me this time and listening to me for so patiently and contributing to whatever you could contribute and whatever I could contribute to. Thank you so much.